Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will learn about what is sampling,
Purpose of sampling.
now we will learn about.
Sampling.
Sampling is a process in which the researcher or a surveyor select the group of individuals from the larger population to include in a study or research. For an example, the cricket bat manufacturing unit is interested in learning the average lifespan of their bats. The entire output of the bats will be considered as the population, since it will be impossible to check every bat's lifespan. So, we will select the bats randomly from the population. The process of selecting the bats is known as sampling. We will see. What is the purpose of sampling? For an example, if a surveyor is studying about the exit poll of the elections of a specific country, the entire country who are eligible to vote would be population. Since it is not practical to contact every person in the country, surveyor will need to select a sample that represents as close as possible of the entire country population, including age, sex, and race, etc. For example, surveyor only selected the people from only one state with one of the largest population. The results from that study should not be used to make inferences about the entire country, because we are surveying from only one state and the probability will be very less that the results from that study will not give correct inferences about the entire country. So, to draw valid conclusions from our results, we have to carefully decide how to select a sample that will represent the whole population. That's why sampling is important. In statistics, there are different sampling techniques or sampling methods available, but most sampling falls into two main categories: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. There are four main types of probability sample: simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling. And also there are four main types in non-probability sample: convenience sampling, voluntary response sampling,
Purposive sampling.
snowball sampling. In upcoming videos, we will gain in-depth knowledge on the probability sampling and non-probability sampling.